Yeah. Good evening, candidates. Good evening. This is for Federal Bank Probationary Officer Interview Guidance. About 13 or 14 people have joined our classes, and I have told them that I'll be conducting classes at 6 o'clock, but not anybody has nobody has turned. Doesn't matter. I will go ahead with the session. So for this Federal Bank interview, what are the things you should try to equip yourself, or First of all, if when you join as a member for interview, I'll be sending you a link, and that link will give you the folder of files. And in that folder, first and foremost thing is this one you must be able to go through. I think they would have also given you the brochure to you. So in that brochure, the third or fourth page, the roles and responsibilities of bank officer is given. The role and responsibilities of bank officer is given. So you must go through that and try to make your own sentences and then make your own sentences so that you can tell about it briefly. So that is number one. And after that, what you can do is go through the bankers adda interview guidance given. In this, you can come across what are the words you can use to introduce yourself, as say, what are your strengths. The special positive words given are given in this, like say motivated, I am a supportive person, I am a diligent person, I deal with issues effectively. Likewise, you must be able to tell positive points about yourself while introducing yourselves. And some of these points can also be added, like say, I possess a good technical skill, I possess good listening skills, then my confidence level is good. I have a creative mind and I have logical thinking ability. Likewise, you can tell all these points, not everything. Some of these points you can tell. And after that, you will have questions like this. Tell me about yourself. What is the meaning of your name? Which famous person names relates with your name? Likewise, what is your ambition? What is your aggregate in graduation? What qualities differentiate you from other candidates? Likewise. And you also have simple banking questions. These questions can be asked for, say, not only commerce students, not only finance students, but also for other candidates. For example, the questions like what is an IPO, initial public offering, then what is SCZ, what is LAF, liquidity adjustment facility, what is FII, foreign institutional investor, what is ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, what is CASA, current account and savings account, what is CASA ratio, current account and savings account divided by total deposits likewise. So what is liquidity? The ability of the bank to meet its commitments whenever they fall due. And also liquidity of a company is a company must be able to make payment of the monies that it owes others whenever they fall due. Then what are the functions of RBI? What are the functions of RBI? Functions of RBI is that say bankers to bank, bankers to government, then note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, and monetary policy, monetary regulating authority, because they have a monetary policy committee which governs the functions likewise. Then what is NABARD? What is KYC form? What is a balance sheet? Balance sheet is a statement of assets and liabilities of a company as on a particular date. What is a mutual fund? Mutual fund is an organization that collects monies from public and invests in say shares indicated, like say some mutual funds may invest in high risk, some mutual funds may invest in government securities. So then if they get some profits out of that, they are shared as dividend to the members. Then information about credit rating agency, you must know about CRISIL, then ICRA, and also another one, CIBIL. Then what is plastic money? Why NPA is increasing? What is demat account? What was SBI's old name? Imperial Bank of India. What is deficit financing? What is financial inclusion? Types of accounts in bank. Who signs on bank's notes? Bank notes, they are signed by Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Who signs on rupee 1 note? It is signed by Finance Secretary. Then what is merchant banking? What is the full form of ATM? Why does what NPA hurts bank most? What is SLR? Why RBI uses it? Who is banking correspondent? Do you know about self-help group? Explain it. How RBI controls foreign reserve? What is CAD? Current account deficit. That is in respect of say country as a whole, vis-a-vis say our let us see what is the expansion given for this current account deficit. Current account deficit, and we express the difference between national saving. A current account deficit may therefore reflect a low level of national savings relative to investment or a high rate of investment or both. This is something new. Oh, I think I have not understood it correctly. Let me go through this. Current account deficit. The current account deficit is a measurement of a country's trade, where the value of goods and services it imports exceeds the value of the products it exports. Same thing. That's what I was also thinking. Correct. The current account includes net income such as interest and dividends, and transfers such as foreign aid, although these components make up only a small percentage of the total current account. The current account represents a country's foreign transactions, like the capital account is a component of country's balance of payment. So this, I am sharing this in our Telegram group. I'm sharing it in paid Telegram group. There is a separate group known as paid group for those people who have paid money for attending interview, and I'm just sharing it in that one, and I am also sharing in our general group, Federal Bank group. I'm sharing it there. Yeah. And also Siban. Exactly. So that is about this. Now let us go through some more points. Yeah. I was just reading about current account deficit. Now, what are demand and time liabilities? Can RBI issue as much currency as it wants? What is capital market? What is money market? What is CBS? Which software is used in CBS? What was the aim behind nationalization of bank? What is a crossed check? What is a bare check? What is RBI? Does it regulate cooperative bank also? Now they regulate. What is inflation? Types of inflation, why it happens? What is NPA? Types of NPA. What is SURFACE Act? Then what is NRO account? Different types of NRO account. Difference between savings account, current rates, bank rate, repo rate, CRR, SLR, MSF. How many deputy governors are there in RBI? Who are they? In educational loan, is there any need for collateral security? Who is a banking ombudsman? Then how much is the money limit? Who regulates share market? Where is the headquarters? What is Sensex? How many stock exchanges are there in India? Their index? What is priority sector? If you want to withdraw money from FD, can you do it before maturity? When RBI borrows from other banks, then money in the market increases or decreases. What is national income? Who manages it? Super. All these questions are really interesting questions. So I will be asking questions based on this. I'll be asking questions based on these things. So this is what it is. I thought somebody will come for today's class. Today, nobody has come. Nearly 15 minutes over. I'll be here for another 5 more minutes. I will try to tell some more points regarding this, then go to some other work that I have. Yeah. Somebody messaged me. Oh, good, good, good. This candidate is telling, thank you so much, sir. It is all your guidance due to which I am here. You interviewed me on 4th September, which helped me to overcome my loopholes. Was your interview posted in YouTube? Yeah, I'm asking him. So this candidate's name is Vinay Yadav. Yeah, Vinay Yadav. He has come out successful in Federal Bank interview, and he was worrying all these days whether he has been selected. He has got information that he has been selected, and he has returned to me. He has returned to me stating that he has been selected, and he is thanking me. I am requesting him to share the link to us so that we can share it in our group also. So this is the point, So this boy's name is Vinay Yadav. He says he was interviewed by me on 4th September. I think he had his interview on 5th September, and he has been selected. I think he attended for clerical interview only. I'm not sure about it. Let me check it up. Federal Bank. I'll go to Federal Bank. I think he's giving the link for us. We can use that. Yeah, we got it. Yes, we got that link now. So I can share that link to you now. I must share it along with the sound also. That's what the mistake I was doing. So people were not able to hear the sound. Now, if I share the sound, it will be able to. Microsoft, you told. Microsoft is OneDrive, Google Drive. Then there are other companies like P-Cloud, etc. So many companies are there. Let us see. Cloud computing companies. I will search because this question is a good question. Cloud computing companies. Cloud computing companies. Dropbox, Intel, Ring Central, NetApp, Oracle, and of course, these are not familiar in India. In India, the familiar companies given are some Google Cloud, then Digital Ocean, Go for hosting. Which companies are working in cloud computing in India? Infosys, Sterlite, TCS, Tata Technologies, then 47 billion information, RO solutions like this. थोड़ा ये भी आपको जानना जरूरी है क्योंकि अब तो कंप्यूटर पढ़ा है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जी, हमको ये बताओ कोर बैंकिंग सॉल्यूशन का मतलब क्या है? पढ़ा नहीं है?
Not that much.
क्या पढ़ा है बताइए?
So economics terms, basic economics terms which are day-to-day, which are usable in a day-to-day terms.
नहीं. Core banking solution का मतलब ये है connecting the main server of the bank with all the branches. All the branches are interconnected to the main server of the bank. एक कंप्यूटर लड़का को ये जानना जरूर चाहिए. Core banking solution. The top 4 banking solutions in India is Infosys, Finacle. Then you have Tata's Banks, BANCS. ठीक है? समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Now, can you tell me something about? Yeah, tell me.
But, I want to know that how I can just limit the number of questions on the computer science because it's not that much prepared.
See, when a computer student comes, invariably we ask basic questions. What is 2G? What is 3G? What is 4G? What is 5G? Then what is cloud computing? Then what is say Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word? What is PowerPoint? ये सब पूछेगा. Then इसका बाद में say what is Wi-Fi? What is Wi-Fi? How the networks are interconnected, and what do you know about different types of networks? What is topology? Likewise, all these basic questions तो पूछना है ना. ये तो बिल्कुल कॉमर्स लड़कों को भी जानना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अभी ये सही है, आपने तो ये बता दिया. अच्छा, ये सब क्वेश्चंस आपको मेरा बैंकर्स अड्डा बुक एक दिया ना हमने लिंक में.
Yes, I have. So today only I bought it.
हाँ, उसका अंदर में 10 पेजेस मटेरियल है, उसमें 7 नंबरी पेज में ये सब क्वेश्चंस दिया हुआ है, उसका पूरा पढ़ लीजिए.
Definitely, sir.
अच्छा, आपने क्या पढ़ा है बैंकिंग के बारे में?
So banking, like CLR, SLR, and repo rate, reverse repo rate, how the economics of India works, and how the why the increasing Fed rate in the USA is affecting our stock market.
Please tell me.
That's all.
आपने जो कुछ पढ़ा है उसका बारे में सब बोलो. Are you telling correctly? Let me see. Tell me.
Okay. So the CRR stands for cash reserve ratio. So it is the amount of deposit that the bank have that the bank give to the RBI as a for the security purpose. So that it does not go for a bankrupt. And the second is the SLR, which stands for statutory liquidity ratio. So it's a form. Sir, in this the bank deposits the money to the RBI and buy some government securities, so that at the time of banking stress they can withdraw that money, and also due to which the central government or the state government can have the money on the bank. Okay, and
how much is percent CRR?
So it is about 4.5%.
About nahi. It is 4.5%.
Yes, sir. It's 4.5%.
What is SLR now?
The SLR is about, I think, 18%. 18%.
18%. Correct. Then you were telling something about economy. हमारा economy का बारे में कुछ बात कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir. So our economy is mainly based on two things. That is the agriculture sector and the service sector. So the service sector is mainly the backbone of India, because it's due to the service sector only we earn so much remittance and so much forex reserve, which helps to buy the foreign goods and also maintain the foreign forex deposit in India. And sir, also from the last few years we are working on the MSME sector and the agriculture sector, which has been booming in the COVID period, and the only sector which to a positive growth.
Good. Who is the Governor of Reserve Bank of India?
So it is Mr. Shaktikant Das.
Who is the CEO of our Karnataka Bank?
The Karnataka Bank, I don't know. I know about the federal bank.
अच्छा, you are appearing for federal?
Yes, sir.
आपने तो ये बोला नहीं हमको.
Sorry, sir.
आपने तो ये बोलना था. हम फेडरल बोलने से दूसरा मैं भी पूछते थे. कोई बात नहीं. फेडरल बैंक.
Yes.
Which date is your interview?
The 5th of September, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. अच्छा. You are now studying in a college?
So I have this year graduate. I am part of this year.
This year, and you are appearing for clerical post, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Clerical का post का duties क्या है बता दीजिए.
So my job is mainly oriented to the customer centric, and to deal with the customers directly, to listen their problems and give their solutions, and also assisting my team members to get the daily business targets of my bank. And I also work with the banks to meet its assets and the NPAs.
Good. What is
FED? Prepare the balance sheet.
What is FED?
So
FED. सुना नहीं?
I can't.
सुना नहीं?
FEDI.
FEDDY.
No, sir.
सुना नहीं? अरे भाई.
No, sir.
ये कैसे है जी? अभी देखो आपका सामने फेडी आ रहा है. फेडी is a bot, chat bot.
Okay, Feди chat. Oh, yes, sir. I have noticed. No.
Huh?
Chat bot. Yes, sir. It is on the app and the Federal Bank site itself.
Yeah. ये सब आपका very good. Fedi, they ask like that. Fedi क्या है? Okay, what is it you like in our website? Fedi website, Federal Bank website.
So what number?
What is it you like in the Federal Bank website?
Okay. So the Federal Bank website, I like the first the layout, the most here the Federal Bank have made it more simpler and most user centric. They can easily get the access to open an account, and the way of representing and they also have shown their balance sheet with all the data that that were essential for a new customer to trust on their bank.
अच्छा
I like this point
ये
for the bank.
फेडरल बैंक वेबसाइट में आपको एक ग्लोसरी बोल के एक आएगा, आप जानते हैं उसका?
Yes, sir.
देखा नहीं देखा तब तो ये पूरा पढ़ लीजिए, पूरा इसको पढ़ना है आप.
First thing was setting up all from scratch. With all the unexpected expenses, every dollar matters. That's why.
What is an active account? What is account statement? What is anytime banking? What is ATM? What is banking ombudsman? What is bouncing up check? What is Basel II? What is core banking? देखो यहाँ पर पढ़ने से तो आपको आ जाता है.
Okay, sir.
Core banking is a buzzword in Indian banking where branches of the bank are connected to a central host and the customer is connected to branches and can do banking at any branch with core banking facility. तुम क्यों ये सब नहीं पढ़ा है, बताओ हमको.
So because I have got some interview call in the 2nd of September, and I am having my exam on 3, 4, and 6.
अच्छा जी, ये सब पढ़ना है जी आप.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
ये सब पढ़ने से तो आपको पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. इसका अलावा यू आर फ्रॉम विच स्टेट? उत्तर प्रदेश.
Yes, उत्तर प्रदेश.
उत्तर प्रदेश का चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन है जी?
Mr. Yogi Adityanath.
Who is your governor?
The governor, Mrs. Anandibel Patel.
Very good. How many districts are there in Uttar Pradesh?
So there are 75 districts in the Uttar Pradesh.
Very good. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir, definitely. So it will be a way of to exchange my skills and culture with the others and to learn new with them.
Good. You are talking very well in English. This will help you get good marks in Federal Bank interview. And Federal Bank balance sheet आपने पढ़ा है? Last quarter का balance sheet? नहीं पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
वो क्या deposit
Sir,
क्या है?
sir, I have gone for the
Deposit क्या है? Advance क्या
sir,
है?
I have gone for the 2021 and 2022.
2022 only want. 2022 only I want. And उसमें figures क्या है? फेडरल बैंक, ये हमारा फेडरल बैंक इंटरव्यू वीडियोस देखा आपने? नहीं देखा? Hello?
Yes, sir, I have watched many of them.
Many of them.
Yes, sir, I have watched it.
You know about it. Acha, then I am not showing it to you. This one I am giving you. OneDrive material. आपका नंबर बोलो, आपका सेल फोन का नंबर बोलो.
700.
Just a minute. Just a minute. I have to give you that link. 700.
45.
मिल गया 88078. अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
अभी आपको लिंक दे दिया जी. इस लिंक को ले लो, उसमें से जितना तक होगा उतना तक पढ़ लो. And I want you to know the business figure as on 30th June. What is total deposits? What is total advances? What is the profit made? 600 and some crores. 601 crore. Then you
Sir,
must.
does I have to tell in figures or in a percentage?
No, the figures. Deposit advance, then profit figure में बोलना है. GNPA, NNPA उसको आप percentage में बोलना है.
Okay.
ये पढ़
So I
लीजिए.
made some notes of that.
Yeah,
But I have made in a percentage form.
Very good. No. But deposit advance and all you should maintain in figure wise. Please prepare. Thank you.
Definitely.
Best wishes. You can certainly get it. You study very well and go. You will get it selected. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the this grateful guidance.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you,
Next,
sir.
and if you want to stay here, you stay for 10 more minutes to see next candidate how he is answering. You will know the
Okay, sir.
difficulties.
Definitely.
Yeah. 1 plus DM210. Your number is 80731. Siddesh.
Yes, sir.
Siddesh,
Yes, sir.
80731. Good.
Yes, sir.
You are from which place?
Sir, I am from Mangalore.
Acha, what is your degree?
Sir, I have completed BCom, sir.
You have completed BCom. Acha, which year did you complete?
Yes. In the year 2019.
2019 you completed. After that, what you have been doing?
Sir, I am working in one IT company, Capgemini, which is located in Bangalore.
Very good. Now, are you working from home or are you going to office? Hello?
Like for in a week, 1 week, hello, is my voice
Ah,
audible, sir?
hmm.
Yeah. 1 week I am working from home and 1 week I am going to office, sir.
Acha, acha. What is the nature of work you are doing?
Sir, we are creating and maintaining a vendor. Like it's a US based job, sir. US clients called
Hmm,
Office Depot. For them, we are creating and maintaining a vendor, sir.
mhm. Good. Why do you want to come from Cape Gemini to Karnataka Bank?
Sir, because after completing my graduation, I always wanted to be a banker. Like I completely 1 year I gave started preparing for banking exam, but due to some financial reason, I had to join other company. Even though I was preparing for banking exam and I have cleared many prelims exam like for IBPS clerk, SBI clerk, Indian Post Payment Bank. These all exams I have cleared. So even though I'm working in private company, I am still trying for a banking job, sir.
Good. That is really a good point. I really appreciate you. Can you please tell me what is the
Thank you.
job role of a bank clerk?
So the main role of a bank clerk is a frontline staff of an organization. Is responsible for maintaining the records of the bank and monitoring the NPAs and cross selling of insurance product, receiving the customer with a smile and greeting them and solving their grievances, and also helping them in fulfilling of a KYC form. These are the main roles of a bank clerk, sir.
Good. You are communicating very well. In BCom, how many marks did you score?
There are 70%.
Very good. 70% is not a bad mark. It's a good mark. Good, good, good. Now, what is your father?
Sir, I don't have my both of my parents. Like they have expired, sir.
Oh, I think, did we talk earlier? முன்னாடி
No, no, no,
no,
sir.
this is the first
No,
time
sir.
you're talking.
This is the first time.
Oh, what
Yes,
happened?
yes.
When did your parents die?
Like my mother when I was small in third standard, and my father when I was in 10th, sir.
Oh, now you are living with whom?
I am living with my aunt and uncle, sir.
Oh,
Currently, I am alone. I'm in Bangalore. I'm in PG, sir, paying guest
oh.
accommodation.
How many siblings you have?
I am alone, sir. Only one.
One child.
I don't have any. Yeah, I don't have any siblings.
Acha. What about the properties and all of your parents?
It's there, sir. Properties are there,
Mhm. In which
but
place?
I need to stand on my own, sir.
They are in which place? Properties in which place? Who is
Uh,
taking care of them?
in Maharashtra, sir. Like my native is in Maharashtra. When I was a 6 months old kid, I came here to Mangalore, sir, because of my
Oh,
father's job. He
acha.
was working here.
Who is taking care of your properties there?
My cousin brothers, sir.
Oh,
Cousin brothers are there.
very good. Excellent. No problem. Now come to this banking. You told me very nicely about the job role. I'm not sure you added bank assurance and mutual fund products. That also you should add and
I
have.
okay, okay,
I
sir.
don't know whether you told. Doesn't matter. No problem. Good.
I told about bank insurance, but not about mutual fund.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Good. Now, can you tell me what are the types of loans banks give to others?
Sir, banks provide different kinds of loans like agriculture loan, education loan, MSME loan, gold loan, and personal loan. These are the types of loan that banks provide, sir. Questions.
Why are you running very fast like this? Please repeat.
Sure, sir. Sorry. Like agriculture loan, gold loan, personal loan, vehicle loan, home loan. These are the types of loans that banks provide to a customer, sir.
Good, not bad. What is the present position of our current global economy? This
Sir,
is
I didn't understand that.
this is actually a question for probationary officer level. Current global economy means you should tell about the rising inflation. You should also mention
Okay.
about Russia-Ukraine war and the
Okay.
problems of importing commodities and the rise in the value of.
Can I try, sir?
Please try.
Sure, sir. The current inflation rate is going very high. From the month of January, it has gone above the percentage which is set by an RBI. So it is above 6%. Like currently, it stands at 6.7%. And even because of the Russia-Ukraine crisis, the prices of crude oils have become more. So because of this, people are facing problems. These are the main causes.
So, in what way Ukraine war has affected our economy?
Sir, Ukraine war started because of a NATO-related issue. Russia didn't wanted Ukraine to join as a member of a NATO. So even though after a warning, Ukraine wanted to be a part of a NATO country, so the war started, sir. So because of this, as I said, the price of oils and crude oils have been petroleum products have been increased, sir.
Good. What are your hobbies?
Sir, I like cooking food and solving Rubik's Cube.
Oh, but cube though. But if you have learnt it well, then you can do it only once now. What is the problem in repeating it again and again? That cube, na, I also see my grandson doing it quite frequently. But
yeah, sir, there are lots of formula how I learned is I saw YouTube and I tried to do it, and there are some formulas which we implement in solving that.
Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir, I am willing to relocate to anywhere, and I do have a habit of staying alone also, so it will not be a problem for me.
Very good. See, in Cape Germany, I think you must be getting same salary as clerk, or are you getting less than that?
No, sir, I am getting a very less salary, sir.
Oh, only your package is 3.5 or 3?
Yeah, 3, sir.
3 only. Useless fellows. They give
Yeah.
very less salary.
Yes, sir.
What is NPA?
NPA is a non-performing asset. NPA means when an loan amount or an EMI amount becomes due for a continuous period of 3 months, that is 90 days, then it turns into an NPA. There are 4 types. That is standard, substandard, doubtful, and loss assets, sir.
Who is Urjit Patel?
So Urjit Patel was a former governor of Reserve Bank of India, sir.
Who is the present governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Mr. Shaktikanta Das, sir.
Who is your role model?
Sir, as to tell about my role model, it's my friend, sir. Even he is working as a bank clerk in one of the banks. So he is my role model, sir. He knows how to take responsibilities, and he is very good in problem solving matters, sir. So he is my role model.
Acha.
So I want to copy that from him.
Very good. Now, who is the present President of India?
Madam Draupadi Murmu.
Who is the present Chief Justice of India?
Uday Umesh Lalit. Mr. Uday Umesh Lalit, sir.
Very good. Can you please tell me what is GNPA and NNPA?
GNPA, gross net, I'm not sure, sir.
Gross non-performing assets, net.
Okay, gross non-performing.
Gross non-performing assets is the total amount of NPA less the provisions made will give you net NPA.
Okay, okay, sir.
Very good. What is the total business of Karnataka Bank last quarter?
According to the report published by Karnataka Bank's last quarter report stood like it had an profit of 114.05 crore in financial year 2023 as compared to 105.91 crore, where it shows the growth rate of around 7%, and even the net NP of the 0.91% to 4.03%. It shows bank is a profitable bank.
So this is the video I wanted to share with you because that candidate messaged me when I was conducting this class that he has come out successful. So I have shared that with you. Other candidates appearing for interview also, you please see this. I stopped the other video in between because this is more of Karnataka Bank, so that may not be very relevant for you, for people appearing for Federal Bank. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Today, nobody has attended the class. So from tomorrow, we will not be having class at 6 o'clock. There is no need. Only if somebody is really willing to come, you tell me, I would take the class.